Eye n'Ensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Wanchumuliria tukosaba kwa vira somo chando yobweri oginachika kugosogeria na gukumanyia una nigora ase chingaki asemesema yakuru Ensoko chinsa isato so butkobega wikome na gatatu mutinyi no gatatu mwaka no gwechiri bubere merongevere na isano ne monchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi na mange nkwari gandretie kurende boiga sensemo ya kabere tochigo sanga senkwana ya bene butko bwarero turachie kumurikira manga yaringito burai bwa siasa na boigo amagendra sekerenge keneno butko bwarero no kumurikira haria abasaye babwate yogo chigwikirania ase obura yobiga bwa siasa sabange besokire kwane kiabuna nkuri yabareri baga yo so asobura yobiga sobutko bwarero turachie sanga nigati yabasaye akurukwa Bernard Omanda Bernard uyu oreneganga yokuriya kirugo kyo MCA ase wodi ya Nyakoe na boigo tochigo sanga nere Geoffrey Mururi nere omusaure neganga yogochekoriye kirugo kyo MCA ase wodi ya Nyatiko chiwodi chigachonsi iko chigotoka sensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase county ya Kisii sanga na into kwetera ase namba ito esimi na boiga ase mitandao yaito kurende toranyora ase nchira yoboikirano ayigane gatiari tukwariga ndutia sobutko bwara
Mweseke kotoki kaneba kungentu oyorira yamna musungu. Wana tuwaichande sana no ntu twasike byasese twakora twaikirikebie.
Musiba tube myaka 25 gotoka gasireti obogima bwaye ase nyombe ya moyo kwego kya kebirigo.
Lenacapavir, which is a drug that is taken to prevent acquisition of new infections to our key populations.
County ya Kisii ya chakirio morobiri boko na ne chanjo yogotanga oboroiri bw'ebinyinyi bya HIV.
So we are the first party in this country to do party elections, and we tend to believe that by the month of June we have concluded the elections all the way up to the National Delegates Conference.
Abege kiama kia UDA kuyarigania sobo chori bo morembe chinsemo cha mashinani abu ankyo. Karibu sana mwanchu murigari atugochagana robotiro kufuatia mambia lero musubati bwe myaka 25 uyoko nyokwe ne kemubere ni gatoka kwita senyombe moyo kwego kya sechiro ya kibirigo korengana nabamwabo abara sekyombekemo nigo bono babodire obutuki bwene kiwa senjira bwango ilikomanya ninki kerere to musubati yugo siria obugima bwaya somo beroye urusi kwa sensemeyo na koiro wika senkendo nyagitari ne ya Nyamira unagotomanya muri Kito Steven Nyariki
Amagombo no borobonene nigo boimoka ase chiro ya kibirigo mega y'umusubati bwe myaka 25 korwa sensema ya Kiambere wodi ya Bogichora ebunge ya West Mogirango ya Nyamira mubiroye gotoka kare nyomba kare getirianda ase nyomba yo kwegokya ikorokwa Manchester imeye chire ya kibirigo
Amalieta gorogorina tukemtomambia setere Kenya bangere akenindo monya biashara okebirigo kore kia kore kanire kiango sesana otigo mwana otabwatia sagochi nayo sebese kari yeto etobwatasi omwana yanyora sago sokoriki asago sagochi mweseke kotoki kaneba kungentu oyorira yamna musungu wana tuwaichande sana no ntu twasike biashara twakora twaikireke brigade
bono nje wongo tunyi bono mambia na nyoru mugondo ndi omwana waye nero uyu
Kurengana na birori nigo bakweranga omusubati uyu gukora ase epa ase omochi uyu kebirigo nigo ababoria manene habere gagweso kyanga naki mubiro uyu gutuka ase epa heri hatari gukorera
omusani one omokongu sana ngocharora ndeinga musungu ngorre kendi yosi nje nago tigirabu ngorre kendi yosi nachira segeti nepa yakora ne yaito yakora sakata akinike karato kana mwasawe na kumisana akasakata na mwamarite die kumete kebiriga ntoda tama gendro na ntobe ke security una ntwa mara to ko koreba ngaito
omwana oyo osirete igakoro ku Marion igare oyo nyaga cyo kiambere anje seitere nyake ore secondary igo mwana oyo tari ngato tamumanyeti nenjira to gotebi gunga aruete pa engawa agacha korara agaiga bono ntumanye tinge ariye sara iro murangu ngo muigorerete korumeka ro murangu ore gwasi igare gesogono igoni geruse tianga karara go ba tento taka tutwere subo maene abantu baisani kigutomanye ngikere osaba nabantu babi
nje bone gento nagote bakirega ese pa yesa atoka batatena ki umwana oyachete nande nakiba mumanyete nande ngo barenge ko muri tkoria igoro tumanye na tumubwatira tumana ngigeite to mwana
asensemo yabagambi korwa hasenseme yo nigo bareirenga nigo botuki borache ko bokoreka kubatekana nogo itwa gose hugotoka ku mubere uyu nyagosira
umuntu naro kwereire Manchester ba ari namo tuma guchoronga gachingo ora verify buyo manyanga na maene oikao ore ba nesiekire ana krosiesi osiesi onte bio kiroronyo re ba siekire na twaicha twakira DCOS imi DCO wamnyoka gocha bwangu twegure ba mabutu anyoro muswati ya maene na kwete muswati ya sara kore ba yorwenyi igaika igoro magoroba una bagoteba agateba nga uigure bubi ono tukumitinga rika bare kumwire nyegitari rubare ko morenta Manchester are akarara ni Manchester iga nomuratoka yakwite igo igari yachire oiru Nyamira irinde eriyo postmortem mwecho korwa mera otebye kana maene nga na ruarte gustar ruarte
nigo mubiro w'inyagosira oirwe ngendo ya Nyamira rifaro ekere getabo kyobotuki ya DCI Nyamira gyachakire obotuki bwa ime Steven Nyerikiembonde Ensoko TV Kebirigo he county ya Nyamira.
Ekaunti ya Kisii yabere gati county 15 gochakyo kweno no gwechanjo yoburiri bw'Enyamerero egiyemanyikaine buna Lenacapavir imenya gitari ya Getembe okwana nabarikia mangana chinga gicho kweno no gwechanje yo niko bono mo director bobo bwenia ime county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko haereire igoro yobu yabwechanje yo yobubura cheko nyara gukora okwambukirirwa kuburire bw'Enyamerero obwikira umweri w'umwaka oyeta niko bwarengase ebirengo bibire nukutakyanda igoro yemya hegati abo batani ao hegati yabo abatendere byombe ao biri bigokora obunjurire bwe kuyoneke mubere niko bono bagokero kubwatiranirwa nabo igo ogochakiwa wechanje yo irache kubakonya gwetanga nabo igo okwegenderia se emiroberio yabo muri kitopetwel machini agotumanya senchiro wikirana
bono no mweso gochiasa menyime county ya Kisii erio wetanga kurwa kwambukirirwa oburire bw'Enyamerero abunenchiremo yokweneka binebirengo byo kwambukirania abo yiburire bw'Enyamerero county ya Kisii nigoris kurerero egetabo kyobochene county ya Iga kubatirana wizara yobochene yabere gachichi county chinde 15 imense ya Kenya ochakyo bwana nibwe chanchi yoburire bw'Enyamerero eyemanyikazuna Lenacapavir imeyenye gitari ya Getembe dispensary.
HIV in Kisii County as of the 2025 data is at 2.9%. Women affected slightly more than the males. Last year, the new infections were 359, and we had 310 deaths as a result of HIV-related complications. Today marks a significant day for this county, and specifically the Health Department of Health, the County Department of Health, to have joined the rest of the 15 counties in the country to launch the use of Lenacapavir, which is a drug that is taken to prevent acquisition of new infections to our key populations.
Kurengana na mutenri bobo bwene me county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko Giabe nigainekire munanigo ekaunti ya Kisii yanyorire dosi isaine asogochakira na gutugutira chingumo mna tikrenit kwainanwa.
We've received enough doses for our county, close to 500 for starters, and we expect that we'll be receiving more doses. It's a drug that is an injectable and has undergone various trials in the past and has been approved by the relevant regulatory bodies as safe and effective to prevent new infections. So I want to make it clear to our population that this is not a trial drug. Our people are not going to be used as guinea pigs. It has been approved to be effective, and therefore everyone receiving it should have the confidence to come forth and get the injection.
Negati abatani bebyombe bya habali bagokoro bonchere bokweonia nigo bagokiro kubwatiraniwa asogochakyo we chanje yo erache kubakonya asobonchere bwabo bwakirari tukona gukora okonengetwa.
Toro no mogoke sengencho county ya Kisii ya to involve na sex workers ba Kisii county asogocha mona ntoto sange event yega asenge toto chikoba chi beneficiary che igoromono asenge ncho iga stoko batogo kore ya sex work nigo tore ase high risk yo konyora HIV ko bwa bantu bande bonse asenge ncho iga stoko kora to abere no mogoko omonene mono asenge ncho to abere involved na ndeto chikoba chi beneficiary.
We thank you, the government of Kenya, the Ministry of Health, Kisii County, for allowing us to be included in such big events of launching the PrEP injectable drug, which is very important and key to sex workers and KPs at large. PrEP si mwisho wa ku prevent HIV. Kuna madhara zingine zenye tunaweza pata kama gonorrhea, syphilis, so tuepukane nayo, tuendelee bado kutumia condom as other option of preventing HIV infections.
Nashukuru for the launch of injection of this PrEP. Nashukuru sana imetusaidia because ina reduce the stigma which was there when we are just visiting the facility twice every month. Now you are going to visit the facility twice a year, which is good for us people who are using PrEP.
Kulpoteria Soko TV kurasinya gitari ya Getembe dispensary me ye county ya Kisii Nchepethuel Machin.
Tuskabasyo mwancho murigaria aborokiwa bari bakoreta matemu abamana KCSE umwakoeta kurwase wodi yechitago borabu ensemwe bunge ya South Mugirango county ya Kisii na konyorera ribagari okonyora masomo a computer no butumiki wechibesa na bego chinche na chingi ya chokomenya ase skuru ya ajiri wanoniga aborokiwa abo bayiro boseme bwabene bosyo bwechinga kichabo barachiye gosoa ase university au na koira gosomera chikosi au buli kitu ikiliforenge agotomanya senchero bwikirano.
Mune nchira yemo yokubakira basaye nabo bakuba baseme iguru chinchira chingiye cyo kugendereria anelekegema aso butumiki wech computer mitandao yake rero nabo iguru yobutumiki obuya bwechibesa bono nige serikali ya county ya Kisii gwetera aso murubirio oajiri yabasemiri aboroki gwabe wodi chitakubarabu ensemu bunge ya South Mugirango.
Kwa Ishmael Nyakoni ndiye manager ya ajiri program ase county yetu ya Kisii itukolia letu ajira ase wodi chitakubarabu asengenjo tune program ya itere every Friday tukora mangana career guidance wa ikona entertainment tuwa ataba ine babo kwana abana.
We are very appreciated thank our governor for this program of Ajiri that has helped many of us, including the youths that are here, even the Form 4 leavers who have been very high there. I think all of us have benefited from this program.
Akora wana Ishmael Nyakoni oyure omo manager we school eyo nigo abaire segetenene kogenda gokoromokia asekera kiri gionsi bagokora.
Asengenje kumanya tenga abange bona bakwete Form 4 mpaka nitwanyora guidance nitwara abanyare bakoba bago approach bujuma tuwabwata Professor Nyamboga yukurwase university ya Tangaza otire kitukolia lero ili nikwenikari abana tankosi barakore ne grade kiri babwate ndikibakwa ndio na ajiri tugwakira umugabano itungambya mona asinge njugo cya initiative yo bakonya abana bataka batari gote konyara bikera program ne yo kusamba kana yo basoma kana computer wayo kana na computer packages osomete amang'ana financial literacy, amang'ana mental health, amang'ana personal branding and marketing. Elinda abasaya bakera bakore bamanyang'ana kibagu approach obudiskora. Itukolia rero abasaya over 300 mbesoki asing'encho gocha kwego natoko batoko bali kwezi manake igetoko bakera ngambia mono bwego bakera entertainers kuno ebintu bikiya bachiri itukolia rero asing'encho kokya abasaya bamanyanga talent ngwakana chiri mono nomagaba no itocha ochakira umuroberio elinde kokonya chiwodi chitu chonsi 45 abasaba elinde bayabanyanga wao
Naboigo Professor Constantine Nyamboga uyu ikerana asige karekyo yokoba abasaye abosemia nigo amwakera umugaba na county ya Kisii muskepo Simbarati bunambi mono asokorete umuroberio yu boko basemia abasaye iguru y'ingencho cyekerero
mbiya mono Soko TV for joining the Achiri program. Students who are being trained at Etago. It has been a wonderful day. Again, I'm happy because I have been wanting to come here. This is not very far from home, although I've come from Nairobi, but I'm very happy that I've associated with very young, upcoming young girls and young boys who, anytime now, they will be ladies and gentlemen who will be going to the university, but because again the governor thought it's not well for them to get what we call soft skills, especially information literacy, focusing on computer literacy. I'm happy because that is the right way. As a university, that's what we always like partnering with. We currently have even students who are at Ajiri and are the same workers as Ajiri who are students at Tangaza University. And as a university, we are proud to do that.
Abarokigwa abo babere bagosemigwa asensemeyo asemitinga ibere ono nigo bagochokora matemu gochakera ase litukulia Jumatatu nigo bagokera masomo bibairwe abo asebate babuna nigo arabakonye asamatukari bosyo
Jackson Moyo mwana madingo tugere makaji wa Etago kwanza ngene Simba hadi ya mwana asakaleta kosi ya ndikasoma kwa jinda kama na bana nandenga engasoma bana bana basike sekosi iyo ndio nimpara chingaro yamba chwe njende CEO ye team ya Power Stars kera ba ko saposa ngazingikira karanga ngisana na computer na bongo ni na ndo na batera ngikira basongo bali support ya team yale ye kiri kugira ni
Wano nigo yatigera sabaro kigwabwe webekanga kiboronge libakorobya asamatemo yo ingo reporteria Soko TV kura Chitago barabu ensemu yebungi ya South Mogirango county ya Kisii Litriane Wycliffe Orenge
Toskabosio mancho murigeria barabe kiama kia UDA bakorwo no muri kyo monene bwe kiama kyo Hassan Omar no munyakero gwe committee tendre to bochori Anthony Mwaura niko batebire kiama kia UDA niko kirache gukora obochori bobwena no bubwasio ku chinsemo cha mashinani abo ankyo asabo igo bakwanire chinsemo chinde asobochori bo butachi gukorekana kubwatekana ne bitango au niko baruro kuboria gocha sababu watani babo kwene kiambari gocha kwene kya chiburaburu chinga kicho bochori bo muri kitolina tinyambane agotomanya senchero bwikira.
It has been our nature, our elections, we know that it will be very free, verifiable, and without any violence. And we are warning our party members to desist from violence, especially violence against women.
Abarayi bekiama kia UDA babekire teneni emeroberi ye kiamekyo asobochori bwa mashinani obuboroberi gokorekana abo ankyo ase chinsemo au imeyense gukwana imambya yerit kuria rero kurwa amagacho amanene ye kiama kia UDA abarayabo nigobono baenekeri abakenya buna obochori obo nigobogocha ko babo bwene no bwasioku asebono batebire abo bisani go banyorire amaigeri obuna bago
We are having elections in 18 counties around the country, mainly in Mount Kenya region and Rift Valley region. We were supposed to have elections in 20 counties, but we removed 2 counties, that is Nakuru, because as you are aware, there is a safari rally which is happening there tomorrow, from yesterday, today, tomorrow and Sunday. Then there is Kakamega County, whereby there has been a massive registration, and we thought that because there are so many contestants, more than 40,000 contestants, we decided to give them their day, which will be on 28th for Kakamega and Nakuru. So tomorrow, our elections will happen as scheduled. They will be starting at 8 in the morning and ending at 5 in the evening. You'll be doing elections in 8,819 polling stations.
Polling stations zetu ni maelfu ya polling stations na tuna uchaguzi kwa kila polling station, watu 20 kwa kila polling station. Sasa ikiwa mtu baadaye atakuja aseme kwamba labda uchaguzi hukuwa wa huru na haki, kwamba labda kulikuwa na kura zimeibwa wapi? Na kura zinatoka kwa polling station. Tuna officials wetu kwa kila polling station 20 ambao atasimamia, na hizo ni kura tayari ambazo zinaanzia pale. Kwa hivyo wananchi wa Kenya waanze kujua kwamba kura inapigwa kwa polling station na kule ndio UDA iko. Hawa wengine ambao wako kwenye majukwaa, ole wao, kwa sababu watakuja waseme kwamba kura yao imeibwa, na wakiulizwa imeibwa wapi watakuwa hawawezi kusema, kwa sababu hata polling station zenyewe.
Chingaki checho omoriki omonene bwe kiamekyo ni gatebire niko baguchia gukora chinkwana ne kiama kia ODM buna abara chigoswa asobochori bu mwaka bwe chirubere 2025 asebo igatebire ebyama biri byonsi byarosetie serikali ya Kenya Kwanza niko bigoche kubwatiranirwa ase chinkwana echo.
Kenya Kwanza is still alive. This government is Kenya Kwanza that became broad-based government. A lot of the commitments that were made under the Kenya Kwanza government are still alive and well, and therefore nobody is affected by this resolution or by this process.
Nonye nabo Omar omochirie ensemeri yekiama kia ODM ikoragwa no moseneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna asatebire ensemeni go yaberege kwamereria serikali na goteba buna teraikirani cha agenda 10.
They are trying to tie Raila's death as also extinguishing the life of the bipartisan process so created. It's a very simplistic way of looking at it. If God had willed and Raila Odinga was alive, I think the process and the outcome will still be the same. So for him to simply try now to bring innuendos, and there's nothing wrong to extend the life of a process on the basis that significant progress has been made by a certain team. I took personally as Secretary General. If you do recall, on the 7th of March, the MOU of last year, 2025, that MOU in the same KICC was read by Sifuna and myself. But not signed by Sifuna and myself. It was signed by the two party leaders committing their parties to a bipartisan process.
Goripoteria en Soko TV. Eretariane Linet Nyambane.
Manchumurigaria abo notuikira omwere aso kumanyere na kiwa semesa ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isato tokwirimo tumokomo kega ase studio ya kabere kinkoirana ase kagatari getambe kurana nde ase studio nabagani bane banyari ko babagwikirana tosange na kumurikira twachika ukumanyari ngete ubaraibwa ge siasa kero kwandira ekerenga kyabasaya toskara.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Magega ya television y'Ensoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete na mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tulikere gose twakere simigo